In a shocking turn of events, Daniel Ricciardo is leaving RB with immediate effect, marking the end of his second Formula One stint. The Australian will be replaced by New Zealander Liam Lawson for the final 6 races of the season. Ricciardo, who made his comeback last year with AlphaTauri before continuing with RB this season, couldn't quite deliver the performance the Red Bull family expected. Despite some promising moments, including a fourth-place finish in the Miami Sprint, Ricciardo found himself 14th in the driver's standings, trailing teammate Yuki Tsunoda by 10 points. Ricciardo's last race at the Singapore Grand Prix saw him finish 18th, albeit with the fastest lap, a bittersweet farewell for the seasoned driver. His F1 career spans 14 years, during which he notched up 8 wins, 32 podiums, and 1329 points in 258 Grands Prix. He earned P3 in the Drivers' Championship twice, in 2014 and 2016. Teams like HRT, Toro Rosso, Red Bull, Renault, McLaren, and RB have all featured the distinctive and charismatic Australian. Upon the announcement of his departure, Ricciardo addressed his fans on Instagram, expressing gratitude for his wild and wonderful F1 journey. "I've loved this sport my whole life," he shared. "It's wild and wonderful and been a journey. To the teams and individuals that have played their part, thank you. To the fans who love the sport sometimes more than me, haha, thank you. It'll always have its highs and lows, but it's been fun, and truth be told, I wouldn't change it. Until the next adventure." Speculation about his future continues, with Valtteri Bottas favored to keep his seat at Sauber/Audi. Ricciardo's options look limited for 2025. In a statement, team boss Laurent Mekies lauded Ricciardo's contributions, calling him a true gentleman on and off the track and expressing hope for the newcomer Lawson.